Hello viewers, welcome back to Globe Investment. In this channel you'll be getting free trade calls, and in this video I am going to give few buy calls. So before going to the buy calls, I would like to discuss regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved. Firstly, now I would like to welcome all the new members who have coming to this channel first. So now I'll explain a brief about this channel. In this channel, as I told, you'll be getting free trade calls, and this is an Excel sheet where you'll be having the record of all the trading calls which I have given till now. You'll be getting all the details in this. That's the exact date on which I have given the buy call, and the stock name, and the time frame, and the buying price, and the targets, and also on which dates the targets got achieved, and the percentage return which we got on the trading calls. So you can even verify these in your respective trading platforms on going to the particular dates, so that you'll be getting the accuracy of the trading calls and also be knowing the genuinity of mine. So, and now as I told, firstly now we'll discuss regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved. Among them, the first one is SBI card. So the SBI card, I have given the target for this one on 7th of this month with a time frame of 1 to 2 months with a buying price of 1040, and we achieved all the three targets within just of 3 days, friends, giving us a percentage return of 8.68 percentage. So the person who invested 5,000 rupees, he or she will be getting a return of 434. The person who invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 868 rupees. The person who invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 8,680 rupees. And the person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 17,360, friends. And this is all just in just 3 days, friends. So you can see clearly here, I have given the third target of 1130, and we achieved this one 10th of this month itself. Now I'll show the same in the market platform also. So that is SBI card. Yes, so as I told, we achieved the target on 10th of this month. So we'll go and check on that time frame itself, 10th. So yes, you can see, friends, on 10th it went till 1139 point something, friends. Okay, 1139.25. So I have given my target, third target was 1130. So it crossed the third target which I have given and meant all the above also. And the next one is Infosys, friends, whose target got achieved in 16 days itself, and the time frame which I given was, we'll just go Infosys. Yeah, so I have given the buy call for this stock on 21st of last month, the time frame of 15 to 20 days, and we achieved in 16 days itself, friends. That means it achieved in the time frame which I have given with a buying price of 1345 which I have given, and the third target of 1462 which we achieved on 14th of this month, giving us a percentage return of 8.69, friends. Now we'll show the same in the market platform. Yes, so as I told, we achieved the target on 14th of this month. So on 14th, you can see clearly, friends, it went till 1476, friends, and my target was here 1462. That means it crossed my target and also went upward. So we achieved this one also. And the next one is Dr. Reddy's Lab, friends. We achieved this one in 16 days. So, and we are getting a percentage return of 2.30%, friends. I have given the buy call for this stock on 20th of last month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days. Yes, now we achieved this target in 16 days. The third target of 5364, we achieved this one in 16 days. Since it hasn't achieved the target in within the time frame, I have mentioned this one in red color, friends. So matlab, those who have, like, there'll be some very few stocks like 3 to 4 something like that whose targets got achieved, but they haven't achieved in the time frame which I have mentioned, like this Reddy's Lab, friends. And there will be also cryptocurrencies which will be mentioned in orange color, friends. These we'll discuss later on. So firstly we'll discuss regarding the Reddy's Lab, since it hasn't achieved the target within the time frame which I have mentioned. So I have mentioned this one in, like, I marked this one in red color. We are getting this one as 2.03 percentage, and I'll show we achieved this one on 11th of this month. We'll see in the market platform here, Dr. Reddy's Lab. So now we can see on 11th it went till 5,377. Okay, so 5,377, and my target was 5,364. It was the third target, friends. So, and also there are some stocks whose like 3 targets haven't achieved, but still some of the targets got achieved. The BEML stock, friends, actually it went till 1425, and my target was 1426. Only 1 point got less. So we'll see that one also. I'll just show here BEML. So you can see here the BEML stock today it went till 14. You can see here, directly you can see here, friends. So this is the running platform, like running market. So 1425, friends, and my target was 1426. Don't worry, it will also achieve the third target soon. And the next one is the Brigade. Yes, so the Brigade stock, I have given the buy call for the stock on 20th of last month. With this, it achieved the second target of 286 on 14th of this month itself, friends. Now I'll show that one also here. Sorry, Brigade. Yes, so 14th, right? So on 14th it went till 288.95, and my target was 286, friends. So it crossed the second target, friends, and soon it's also going to achieve the third target also. We'll wait for it. And next one is yeah, VSSL stock, friends. Actually I have gained the buy call for this stock. This is a long-term stock, friends. In my like in my channel you'll be getting few long-term calls also, because there will be some traders who will be investing in long-term perspective, so it's for them. So I have given the buy call for this stock on 22nd of last month with a time frame of 6 months with a buying price of 195 with a second target of 228. So it achieved the second target, giving on 15th itself on this month, giving us a percentage return of 16.92%, friends. Now I'll show the same in the market platform. Wait a minute. It's VSSL, right? Yes, so VSSL. So on 16th, friends, you can see here it went till 236.5, and the second target was 288. So actually it went on 15th itself, as I mentioned here. So on 15th it went till, you can see here, 229.65, friends. That means it crossed the second target. So soon it will also be crossing the third target which I have given here. Okay, it will be one of the bumper listing stock, since we are getting more returns. And the next one is wait a minute, we'll just find out. And friends, Bank of Baroda, soon it's going to cross this third target of 95 also. Please just hold with patience. These days the market is a bit volatile and it's going down, but soon it's going to cross the target of 100 also. Please just wait till the third target. And the next one, where it is, just give me a second. Yeah, Hindustan Zinc, friends. So I have given the buy call for the stock on 7th of this month with a time frame of 20 to 25 days with a buying price of 337 and the first target of 347.5, friends. So we achieved this first target on 11th of this month, friends. So now I'll show the same in the market platform. Hindustan Zinc. Okay, so 11th of this month. So you can see here on 11th of this month it went till 351.9, something like that. So you can see that the first target was 347. It crossed the first target, friends. Soon it's also going to achieve the other targets also. And the next one is wait a minute. Yes, Ashok Leyland, friends. So I have given the buy call for the stock on 9th of this month with the time frame of 10 to 15 days. The buying price of 125. It achieved the second target, first and second target on 11th of this month itself, giving us a percentage return of 4%. Now we'll see in the market platform. Ashok Leyland, 11th of this month. So you can see here it went till 132.25, friends, and my target was 130, friends. That means it crossed the second target also which I have given. And the next one is Mahindra Logistics. I have given the buy call for the stock on 9th of this month with a time frame of 20 to 25 days with a buying price of 580 and the first target of 590.8, friends. It achieved this first target on 14th of this month. I'll show this one also here. Mahindra Logistics. So if you see on 14th it went till 14th 594.5 and my target was 590.8, friends. That means it was the first target which I have given. And the next one is Tata Communications, friends. I have given the buy call for the stock on 11th of this month with a time frame of 20 to 25 days with a buying price of 1250. It crossed the second target. Sorry, it crossed the second target on 15th of this month, giving us a percentage return of 6.86, friends. So here Tata Communications. So where is that one? Oh, I typed wrong. Communications. Yes. So as I told, it crossed the second target on 15th of this month. So on 15th it went till 1 1347.5 friends. So that means the second target which I have given was 1335 friends. So it crossed the second target friends, and soon it's also going to cross the third target friends. And also, as I told, I'll be giving the buy calls on cryptocurrencies also. So the Matic network, I have given the buy call for the stock on 9th of this month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days with a buying price of 111. It crossed the first target, that is 120, on 15th of this month friends. Sorry, I have actually I have taken the screenshot in my mobile, but I didn't transfer it to my laptop. So in the next video I'll show that screenshot also on which date on particular time which it crosses the target, the target which I mentioned here. So it's giving us a return of 8.10% friends. And next one is Engine Coin. So I have given the buy call for this cryptocurrency on 9th of this month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days with a buying price of 98. So it crossed the first target of 1112 on 11th of this month itself friends, giving us a percentage return of 14.28% friends. So friends, so by this you'll be getting the accuracy of my trading calls. So it's up to you whether you want to follow my trading calls or not friends. So today we'll go to the today's buy calls which I want to give. Among them, the first one is Naukri stock friends. So it's also known as Info Edge also, both are same itself. So now the time frame for this stock is 1 month with a buying price of 4,900 with the first target of 5,092, the second target of 5,415, the third target of 5,613 friends. Now I'll show the technical analysis of this stock. So if you can see here, the vertex, it's in the green line is above the red color line, it gives 1 buy signal, and the RSI, it should be above 60 and it is 66 friends, so it gives 1 more buy signal. And here the MACD, the black line is above the red color line, this gives 1 buy signal, and this ADX is flat, so we will not take into this as a consideration. And if you can see, the Bollinger Bands got expanded and the candles are also near the upper side, it's upper band itself. And if you want to see the Ichimoku thing, we need to satisfy 3 conditions. The first one is the super trend, it's in green color. The next is the candles are above this cloud, so this gives 1 more buy signal. And the next one is the gray color line, it will be 15 candles below behind. So if you can see here, the gray color line is above this candles itself, so this Ichimoku thing is also giving as the buy signal. And if you can see, this dark color blue line is above this black color line, this gives 1 more buy signal, and the sky blue color line is also above this red color, this gives 1 more buy signal. Friends, we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, so it's a perfect buy call stock friends. And the next one is Manappuram Finance stock. So the time frame for this one is 10 to 15 days with a buying price of 163 with a first target of 169.21 with a second target of 170.48 with a third target of 171.26 friends. Now I'll show the technical analysis of this stock also. So Manappuram Finance stock. So friends, if you can see here, wait a minute, just give me a second. I'm just changing the time frame. Yes, so if you can see friends, already the Bollinger Bands are moving in the upward fashion and the candles are also near the upper band itself, and the vertex, the green color line, is above the red color line, and the RSI, it came below 60, so it will not take into consideration. And the MACD, the both got superimposed, so we'll also not take this one into consideration. And if you can see, the super trend is in green color, this gives 1 buy signal, and the candles are above this cloud, this gives 1 more buy signal, and the dark color blue line is above this red color line, this gives 1 more buy signal, and the sky blue color line is also above the red color line, this gives 1 more buy signal. And we'll see the gray color line. So you can see here, the gray color line is also above the candles itself. So this gives means we are getting more than 5 buy signals friends, so this is also perfect buy call stock friends. So friends, these are the technical analysis friends. I am saying this for those who have some technical knowledge regarding the charts and all. So those who does not have the technical knowledge, they can just follow the trade based upon my trading calls I have given. So I already have seen the accuracy of the trading calls, and you can even cross verify them. So now it's up to you whether you want to follow my trading calls or not friends. Bye bye, and meet you all in the next upcoming videos friends.